What if one pocket-sized device could give you up to 8 terabytes of storage, all the ports of a desktop computer, and the ability to record professional 4K video from your mobile phone directly to an SSD? Whether you're on the Pixel 8 like me, the latest iPhone, or even a tablet, this Cabletime Meteor 7-in-1 USB-C hub with SSD enclosure could be right for you. It's the upgrade that turns a standard smartphone into a cinematic powerhouse. If you've only got a minute to spare, here's why this is a total game changer. It has a built-in SSD enclosure and supports up to 8 terabytes of NVMe storage. It offers direct 4K video recording. You can record directly to the SSD drive on Android and on iPhones. It's an absolute port slayer. You can get transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second. It has USB-C and USB-A ports and SD and micro SD slots. It supports up to 100 watts PD power delivery, meaning you can charge your device at maximum speed while you work. It has magnetic cooling. It snaps on tight and features active cooling to keep that SSD fast. This isn't just a hub, it's a mobile workstation. Before we go deeper, Cabletime sent this to Photechvideo to create an honest review on it. No money was exchanged and they haven't seen this video before it's uploaded to my channel. If you want to get your hands on one of these 7-in-1 hub SSD enclosures, I've left an affiliate link in the description section down below. And Cabletime have been kind enough to give us an exclusive code which you can use at the checkout on their official site to get 20% off. I'll leave the discount code in the description section as well. And please do check out my instructions on how to use this discount code at the end of this video. So let's dive into it. I'm using the standard Pixel 8 smartphone, and the stock camera app doesn't allow me to record video to an external drive. But here's the pro tip on how to eliminate that restriction. Download the Blackmagic camera app. The app recognizes my 2 terabyte Crucial P310 Gen 4 NVMe 2280 M.2 SSD immediately. By the way, the SSD memory didn't come with the enclosure. Remember, this hub offers incredibly fast transfer speeds. I can now shoot 4K footage directly to the hub. This bypasses my phone's internal storage completely. And for the iPhone users out there, this works natively with ProRes recording. It's the ultimate solution for anybody hitting that storage full wall. The versatility here is incredible. We have a 4K 60Hz HDMI, which means I can plug my Pixel or a tablet into a monitor for a huge view of my footage. Then you have the SD and the micro SD 3.0 slots. As a creator, I can take the card out of my camera, insert it into the slot in the hub, and move files directly to the internal SSD, all while my phone stays charged using the 100-watt power delivery port. After putting this through its paces on my Pixel 8 and my laptop, here is the breakdown. Let's take a look at the pros first. It has active cooling. 4K recording generates a lot of heat. The built-in fan ensures that the SSD doesn't throttle and drop frames. Oh, and it also comes with 2 adhesive thermal pads. It has excellent build quality. It's aluminium, premium, and it feels really pro. It has a metal grip and it's really rock solid. If you haven't got a MagSafe phone or a case with MagSafe incorporated, Cabletime include this adhesive magnet that you can just stick to the back of your phone so that you can get that comforting magnetic snap. I was going to tell you some cons, but until now I honestly haven't found any. One thing to watch, because it's a 7-in-1 hub as well, it's slightly thicker than a standalone SSD. But the extra ports and the cooling make that trade-off totally worth it. Whether you're an Android user looking to unlock external 4K video recording or an iPhone creator needing a ProRes rig, this could be just what you're looking for. This Cabletime Meteor 7-in-1 USB-C hub with SSD enclosure is the most complete tool of this type that I have seen up to now. Let us know in the comments section if you've had issues with your phone running out of storage, or if you already use an SSD enclosure. And also let us know whether you think this 7-in-1 hub could be useful for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more photography and tech related content. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you want to get your hands on one of these 7-in-1 hub SSD enclosures, don't forget to use our exclusive discount code at the checkout on the official Cabletime Web. First, head over to the Cabletime website. You'll see the link here on the screen and also in the description section down below. Search for the Meteor 7-in-1 USB-C hub with the SSD enclosure and add it to your shopping cart. You may see that Cabletime has a promotion with free gifts depending on the total amount of your order. Now this is very important. Cabletime has told me that our exclusive coupon is not compatible with the free gift configuration in the shopping cart on their website. Please make sure that you select no thanks, I don't want a free gift for each of the free gifts which may appear in your shopping cart. If you don't do this, when you add the Photechvideo discount code, it will charge you for the free gifts. So don't forget to click no thanks, I don't want a free gift for each of the free gifts in the cart. But here's the good part. Cabletime has told me that although you eliminate the free gifts in your shopping cart, they will still include them in your package. Then click on checkout and enter the discount code Photechvideo 20% and click on apply. And you'll see that the 20% discount has been applied. So thank you Cabletime for making it cheaper for Photechvideo viewers to get the Meteor 7-in-1 USB-C hub with SSD enclosure. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photechvideo signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in these next videos.